truck. Alright, I can
Truck.
do this. Truck.
Ooh, I'm gonna make like a road and like, yeah.
Horde of trucks.
I wish there was more time in this game.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna have enough time for my idea, but I'll do my. Excuse you, you freaking pig.
Talking to me?
I'm talking to myself. Maybe.
I don't think I can do the idea I want to do.
I'm trying to make a road, but
You are Germany? Yes, I am Germany.
Art thou Germany? Germanium is an element.
Such a nerd.
Okay, screw you, bitch.
It's like a face more than a truck.
BR plus O equals bro. Bromine oxide. Ah.
Please
No.
stop.
No. Oh, you're right. Good talk. I get 100 in chem. Do you have Mr. F or no?
Nah.
So recently there was this test that even I failed, and even one of the other kids failed that gets hundreds because there were unfair questions on it, and we didn't learn half of it. Like, normally we do learn half the hard tests, but no. For some reason, he's like, bitch, I'm gonna fail all of you. I should have went with darker gray for this road, but it's too late.
Gray?
Well, I mean,
Face me, you
no.
villager. This is a odd. It looks like a. This is not a truck. It looks so weird.
Oh god. I forgot what yellow lines look like.
Like 2 dots or something.
I
This
also
looks like a
messed up
cheesy
really
ass
bad.
truck, man.
Oh yeah, we're building a truck.
You've been focusing on the road this entire time.
Highway to the danger zone. I don't even know what a truck looks like. How about an 18-wheeler? Let's make that. Ah!
Why did it block out my sign? What the hell? I made one truck. I'm gonna change his ground.
Well, I messed up.
I can't build in the ground. This is BS.
I know, I hate that part of
Oh, no,
this.
put carpet down.
I'm not even gonna try to make a good truck. I'm just gonna throw blocks down and hope it looks good. Um.
Remember these stupid what the carpet keeps placing on top of what I want it to place on. Stop.
Oh god, I messed up.
I'm not gonna finish.
I don't have time. I don't have time. I don't have time. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Okay.
I'm not gonna finish. I didn't get to finish.
Mine's so good.
Mine looks terrible. Oh, this is good.
This is good.
This is really good, actually. I really like this. I would have looked really good if I finished.
Mine would have
It's
looked
kind of
like
this
trash.
gap in the side here, so I could just like whack anyone who comes in. Oh, this is mine. I didn't finish. See?
You spend so much time on the road. What's wrong with you?
No, I finished the truck first.
Yeah, that would have been a good idea for me, at least. I should put buttons on my wheels. Damn it.
It's kind of a bulky truck, but you know. Oh, this one's good. It's not attached. It's not attached.
I'm gonna deduct.
It's okay. It's
I'm gonna deduct a point for that.
Attached. I deducted a point for that. It's not attached. I would have given it better if it's attached.
It's gonna crash.
What is this? This is terrible. I'm giving it a meh because I tried.
My eyes are bleeding. I guess no, a meh because mine's awful.
These wheels are so bad. I use bedrock.
Bedrock.
Ooh.
Oh shit.
Exploded.
Jivust. No, Jivust.
This is not a truck. I'm giving that my eyes are bleeding because they legit.
It's not a truck.
It's on the ground. How is it supposed to move?
Because the cobblestone wheels. That's why.
No, blow up.
What is this supposed to be? Kommenstein.
This is like a tank more than a truck.
It's not a truck, but okay. My eyes.
This is not a truck.
My eyes. It burns.
This is a tank.
My leg. I have my window open and probably my neighbors just hear me screaming.
This,
Hey, look, this one's connected. It looks so good, right?
This
like
is just one block connection.
10.
I'm gonna give it an it's okay because you didn't finish. And the villager isn't even looking at the road!
No, he's about to jump. He's like, fuck this shit. I should put TNT or something.
What the fuck?
At least mine's better than this. Oh god, I fell
like
out of the
penis?
sky.
Report it?
Yeah, report this shit. Yeah,
it's
skin color blocks.
Anyway.
It's skin color blocks. What is this?
Yeah. Blow up. Why
There's like a shit. What? Freaking Germans.
I got second. Wow.
How did that? Hold up a second. How did that get 4 more points than me? I quit. I'm done with this game.
Because they probably have friends on, you know?
Yeah, they have the other 3 fucking Germans. I'm done. I quit.
You leaving? Did you? You took me with you.
Thanks for watching. Please like, favorite, and subscribe down below, and check out my other videos. Have a good day.